Listening to music, yes. एक दो सीट्स आगे और खाली हैं. अब आप आ गए हो, अमित जी आप आ गए हो. Please come forward.
So meditation.
Meditation really helps. We know meditation really helps. Meditation can do wonders. Mr. Dani can tell you how meditation can do wonders in our life.
And the yoga?
Yoga, of course. Any type of physical exercise helps. And yoga is a wonderful thing to do.
Doing something through which we can express ourselves. Like if I love to paint, and I can picturize my emotions through painting.
Yeah.
That is a better way.
Yeah, you are right. If I am having some hobbies.
Hobbies are a great stress buster.
Great? Yeah.
They are a great stress buster.
Sir, try to avoid the thing which cause stress. For example, जैसे हम एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, जैसे हम कंपेयर करके बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस करते हैं कि वो लाइफ में इतना ग्रो कर रहा है, वो जॉब में इतना ग्रो कर रहा है, उसके बच्चे ऐसे ग्रो कर रहे हैं, वो प्रैक्टिस में इतना ग्रो कर रहा है, तो उस चीज़ को हम अवॉइड करें. उसका रीज़न क्या है कि हम उसकी फ्यूचर नहीं जानते, हिस्ट्री नहीं जानते कि उन्होंने कितना मेहनत किया उस लेवल पे पहुंचे. तो अगर हम उस चीज़ को जानते
Your emotions are giving you stress.
Yeah.
Your thoughts and emotions are
कंपेरिजन, बेसिकली कंपेरिजन हम दूसरे से कंपेरिजन ना करें, हम उसकी हिस्ट्री नहीं जानते कितने मेहनत करें.
Go out for a stroll. If you can take this walk, see the natural thing, enjoy that.
Very rightly said. This walk, if you do in the greenery, it really helps. Any type of physical exercise helps. But if it is being done in the greenery, yeah. Of course.
Visit to the hill station and see the natural beauties.
Yeah. आप लोगों ने जो भी रेमेडीज बताई, really
Develop positive attitude.
develop positive attitude. Let us clap for Mr. Goyal. Positive thinking, positive attitude really helps us, but कहना थोड़ा आसान है. Let us see how.
Speaking frankly to your relations, if stress is due to them.
Yeah, it depends. It can help you. Of course.
Because sometimes there is
It depends.
confusion also.
It depends. कई बार confusion. Yeah. But all our remedies are. अच्छा चलिए. Let us again refer to the movie Three Idiots. We all know in the movie there were three students. Two students were under stress, and there was one student who committed suicide. And there was one principal, the principal of the college. He was also under stress. But there was one student who never felt under stress. The character played by Amir Khan. What is the reason that one person never felt stress? In fact, giving stress to the others. He was giving stress to his teachers. So what was the reason that one person was not feeling stress in the movie?
Because he had a strong mind. That since his childhood actually.
What he has learned.
He was doing what
He was enjoying the thing. Rightly said. He was enjoying the thing. But
Because he believed in himself. He knew what he was doing.
right, yes,
Self-belief is a big thing.
right, of course. Any other thought?
And any person who is confident and
He
has
was hearing
self-belief is bound to.
he was hearing his heart, and basically whatever he wanted to express, he used to express. So hear from inside and express, it will be a big stress buster.
And he was never allowing others to misutilize his own emotion. Never allowing others to misutilize his own emotion.
I could not understand this, sir.
Means to manage the stress or emotional stress, never allow others to misutilize your emotion. Means you are feeling that he is going well, but I am not doing well. Means you are getting emotional shocks by seeing the others. When you are allowing yourself to misutilize your emotion by others.
Not connect with others.
He was focusing on his dreams only actually. His dream was to become a scientist. He was not bothering that how to get that degree, whether the degree was in his name or not. He was not concerned about it.
Yeah. Someone said he was not under stress because उसका कुछ आगे पीछे नहीं था, उसको कोई responsibility नहीं थी. उसके माइंड का, कैन यू थिंक द माइंड ऑफ ए पर्सन who was studying, who was taking the degree for another person? Can we do so? हम लाइफ में ऐसा करें और हमको कभी स्ट्रेस ना हो, ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैं किसी दूसरे के लिए अचीव कर रहा हूं? Let us see the mind of that person. He was studying for another person.
लाइफ में दर्द बहुत जरूरी है, दर्द बहुत ही जरूरी है। दर्द होगा तो ही कुछ आगे बन सकता है।
मैडम पहले से
The point is, my dear friends, the point is, I would say there is a difference between the various personalities. He was more developed, his thoughts were different, his thoughts were more developed. His personality is different. I would say his thoughts were different. The others were not fully developed. So we all need to change our thoughts. We need to develop ourselves. We need to develop ourselves. We need to change ourselves. But normally फिर again वही आता है point कि हम किसी से ये बात डिस्कस करते हैं कि we need to develop ourselves. तो दूसरा आदमी क्या बोलेगा? मैं already developed. क्यों? Yeah, it is difficult to admit the problem. You do not admit कि problem है. माइंड क्या रहता है? ब्लॉक रहता है, और माइंड इज ब्लॉक. किसी से कहो कि क्या कहेगा? हमें सब पता है.
Nobody will admit their shortcomings. Even you would not admit your shortcomings.
Very rightly said, madam. I appreciate your words. I appreciate your words. Yes, madam को कोई supplement करेगा? That nobody will. Madam को you would like to supplement, madam? Nobody will accept.
Sometimes we all are aware about our shortcomings, but we don't accept.
We do not accept. But is it the right attitude?
Lack of courage.
Lack of courage. Yes, sir. Lack of courage. Lack of confidence, in fact, I know. Lack of wisdom. There is no wisdom, I believe. Lack of courage, wisdom. So we need to develop ourselves. I believe that learning is a process.
एक्सक्यूज मी, ऐसा है अगर स्ट्रेस होता है तो एकदम से एक्चुअली क्या होता है, डिग्रीज ऑफ स्ट्रेस होता है. स्ट्रेस शुरू होता है होना, तो स्ट्रेस अगर कोई फील करता है कि मुझे स्ट्रेस हो रहा है तो उसी टाइम उसको एनालाइज किया जाए कि कुछ कारण देखा जाए. अब अगर स्ट्रेस हो रहा है और नेगेटिव थिंकिंग तो शायद नहीं होगा, जरूरी हम हमेशा नेगेटिव थिंकिंग आती हो. और ये भी कहना ठीक नहीं कि पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रखनी चाहिए. तो पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग का मतलब तो ये कई बार हो जाता है कि हम सरेंडर कर रहे हैं, अपनी सर्कमस्टांसेस से सरेंडर कर रहे हैं. अब मान लीजिए एक बच्चा है हमारा और वो किसी गलत, मतलब एक ग्रुप बन गया फ्रेंड्स का, और वो धीरे धीरे उनके साथ में उसकी गलत हैबिट्स बन जाती है. अगर हम शुरू में ये सोच के चले कि नहीं अच्छा होगा, वो हमारा बेटा है, लेकिन वो धीरे धीरे बिगड़ जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है, तब क्या करोगे? तो अगर स्ट्रेस होता है, फील करते हैं हम, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा सा पहले एनालाइज करना चाहिए अपने को. थोड़ा सा एकदम से लास्ट स्टेज नहीं आती, डिसाइड करने की स्टेज तो बहुत बाद में आती है, उससे पहले बहुत सारी बातें होती हैं. तो एवरीबडी कैन थिंक अबाउट हिज स्ट्रेस जब स्टार्ट होता है. तो इसके लिए तो मैंने तो बच्चे की तो एक एग्जांपल नहीं, बहुत सारी एग्जांपल हो सकती है. जब रिलेशनशिप होगी तो रिलेशनशिप से एक्सपेक्टेशंस ही होती है. अगर रिलेशनशिप नहीं है तो एक्सपेक्टेशन भी नहीं होगी. हम दूसरे आदमी से कोई एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, अपने रिलेशन में ही करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you. Can we clap, please? He said one point, children के बारे, बच्चों के बारे में. यहाँ पर जो हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन बच्चे को हम ये पहले से ही मान के चलेंगे कि बच्चा अच्छा करेगा तो वो अच्छा ही रहेगा, पर हम फियर में रहते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो जाएगा या नहीं कर पाएगा. वो जो सिचुएशन है सोसाइटी